I'm Dolph JANIS, owner and founder of Clear Income Strategies Group here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And this is a continuation of our educational series as submitted by you, the viewer, at clearincomeforlife.com and infoforlife.com. Every month we hold a Wind Down Wednesday event for clients and prospects. And last month we were holding a Wind Down Wednesday in Pineville, and I married a lady named Kim. Kim was from Concord, and she said, Dolph, what does lazy money mean? And so, I'm going to elaborate for you, Kim, what lazy money really is. So that's what this whole thing behind me is about lazy money. Lazy money is money that's just sitting in a place, earning nothing, doing nothing. I'm going to show you the effects of what happens with money sitting in checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, earning nothing. I mean, there's over $500 billion out there right now earning less than 0.25%. Are you in that category? Well, I'm going to show you how much money is being left on the table. Now this chart here, this is consuming a 10% interest account for a checking account, savings account, or money market. The blue is for inflation, and the red is for lost money. Now, if we take here year one, we're just going to use 100,000 in assets. It's an easy number, and we let that 100,000 just sit there. Okay. With inflation, you can see the inflation numbers go here throughout the years. After 20 years, you've lost $96,960 of lazy money. After 2 years, you've lost $3,400. This is all money that you're giving away because you're not putting it somewhere to make something. The best way to make money is not to lose money, obviously. But remember, don't lose your spending power. Spending power is keeping up with inflation. Making money is better than not making any money at all. So if you look at your bank account and you look at your savings account, people have this money sitting in their checking account, earning nothing. I'm going to ask you one last question. What's the biggest check you've ever written for yourself in your lifetime? If you have $50,000 sitting in a checking account saying, I might need that money someday, and you're 60 years old, and you're like, the biggest check I've ever written, Dolph, in my whole life is $6,000. Well, what's going to make you thinking that have $50,000 check written? Put it somewhere earning some interest. Put it in a safe vehicle, earning better than 0.25%. Again, my name is Dolph JANIS with Clear Income Strategies Group. Please visit us at clearincomeforlife.com or info@cisforlife.com for any questions. We look forward to talking next week. Thank you.